to What Are You Doing? Today, we're going to be asking my father, what are you doing?
My name is Ken Guinardi.
And what is
your father?
What is your hobby that you're into?
Amongst many of them, probably my biggest one is restoring old cars. Pretty much most of my life since I've been old enough to drive. First thing I ever restored was a 1968 Delta 88 Oldsmobile. It was a big old boat. It was my first car. I drove it for about 6 months until my mother decided it was too powerful a car for me and insisted I had to get something smaller. First car we ever restored was a 37 Plymouth. But the truck that we're working on now is a 1953 3100 series Chevy pickup truck. We've done a lot of work on it, and right now what you caught me in the middle of doing today is trying to find out why I've got a knock in the lower end of the engine. So as much fun as these things are to have and own, they're always a project. One of the best parts about owning these is getting to go out and go for a ride in it and see how other people react to it. It's part of history. And then also to be able to explain to people what they are. For me, the younger generation, the kids that come around, a lot of guys in this hobby don't like the kids getting near the cars. I'd like to see them be interested, so maybe this hobby continues long past my generation doing them.
Do you ever think I'll be able to drive it one day?
I think you'll be able to drive it one day?
Yeah.
If we can find somewhere for you to try driving it, sure. Yeah, absolutely you could drive it one day.
Thank you so much for watching. That's been What Are You Doing? Starring my dad. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day.